Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just gonna be going over some TA for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, just kind of the levels I'm looking at. I'm not currently in any trades. I haven't been for, about the last week, but these are kind of the levels I'm looking at to potentially get into a short from, to, hit a little bit lower levels before we start reversing back up to the upside. So, yeah, so what I'm looking at on Bitcoin, I'm really kind of looking for this area to be hit right over here, in that 90 zone. Right now, I mean, today we have, a few different important key, data coming out, as well as some speeches as well. So, just kind of seeing what price is going to be doing. But what I think price can likely do, maybe today or over the next, few days, is we can, come up right over here to this area, hit this value area low area, which is also very close to all these different intercepting lines. So we might spike a little bit above it, maybe in this area, and then, go around over here. If we're able to get bounce off of a higher, if we're able to basically bounce off of either like the 382 or the 618, we would have more room for the upside. But overall, what I think would potentially happen is, we come up to this area, maybe tap that, and then go around a little bit, and then continue lower to potentially hit this 73 area. This whole zone over here, this is areas where I would be taking some trades from. So, definitely larger positions. So, if we get into that area, that would be, fantastic. But again, it's nothing's for sure. We might potentially just completely reverse from here and go, to new all-time highs. But that's just a specific trade that I'm personally waiting for. So, that's what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. And then for Ethereum, the main levels I'm looking at is right over here. So we have this value area low. We have this Fibonacci golden pocket from the fan pull, from this high over here to this low. And then we also have this trend line that's been coming back all the way from June 16th, 2022. So, as you can see, that's going all the way over there. So we are having three different areas of confluence in that specific area. We have this value area low, we have this pink line, and then we also have this trend line. So I'm expecting price to, again, maybe either today or sometime later this week, come up to this area and then, confirm that rejection before we start heading a little bit lower, maybe to this like $1,600 price target for Ethereum. And that's this area over here is where I'd be looking for a trade. As you can see, that's the point of control of this whole range going up, as well as we have this white line over here, and then you could just see on the VPVR, this we have a high volume node right over there in that area as well. So it would make the most sense to me to just kind of come down to this area before we start moving back up to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for Ethereum. And yes, so that's kind of everything in terms of my TA. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to let me know in the comments. And yeah, just definitely, make sure that you don't stay too bullish potentially until we start maybe breaking some structure, so we can confirm, we're having some bullish momentum. But right now, I think it's still, you want to be quite cautious just until we get to this area and then see what's, will play out. So awesome. Well, have a good day, guys. And again, let me know if you have any questions in the comments.